Hey there, Jen here. I am going to make this chicken wire frame. I started with one 1x2 and I cut it down to 2 feet. Then I'm going to attach it just like this. But first I need to sand all of the edges, make sure that there's no splinters anywhere. Now it's time for me to attach or assemble this frame. So I found starting the nail is so much easier. So I use glue and just a 1-inch finishing nail. I had kind of a big problem with this one, and I went and ordered corner clamps after this project. So now I have corner clamps I'll be using from now on. But that's how I assembled it. I also have to apologize for the lighting. The sun was out and it was really hard for me to find a spot in my garage that was able to give you kind of a good angle. But the sun was really bright, but it was also like 40 degrees out, so I didn't want to just be outside, so sorry about the lighting. Okay, now I'm staining with the espresso color Minwax finish. This will give me the that distressed look with the darkness underneath that I really, really like. So I just apply this and then wipe it off as much as I can, and I allow it to dry for about 2 hours before I apply the paint. Alright, now I'm attaching the chicken wire, and this was really simple. I just used a staple gun and the chicken wire and got it and just attached it that way. So hopefully you can get a good angle on it. Now that I've cut down the chicken wire, I'm folding all of the raw edges over so I'm not stabbing myself. And I also pulled it taut then. Now I'm just going over this with some white paint. It's purest white. That's the color that I usually use for all of these projects like that. So I have to apologize, my camera died and I wasn't able to get footage of the scraping part of the glaze step. So I just applied the glaze over top, a pretty thick coat, and then I use my paint scraper and scrape off the paint. So I wasn't able to get that footage because I didn't realize my battery died while I was recording, so it just didn't work. But I do have a video on how I did that, the shutters that I have in my entryway, so I'll link that below. So if you are wondering how that works, I have the full, you can watch it happen in real time there. I should also mention that I drilled 2 holes at the top to lace or to thread some rope through for hanging. And this is the end product. I'm really sorry about the lighting. It's in my hallway and I'm putting in a new light fixture. It's on my to-do list, but this is how it turned out. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in the next video next week.